Wait, make a wish first. Close your eyes and make a wish. Now blow it out. Ooh! Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaBee, and today I am here making my daughter's birthday cake. Every year I make her birthday cake. I'll insert some pictures. They always come out so cute, but this year, y'all, something went wrong, terribly wrong, if you can see by the thumbnail. And it was going so good, guys, and then all of a sudden it took a left, and yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna make this disclaimer. Y'all don't have to come for me because I already know it's ugly, but it tasted good, okay? Everybody loved the cake. So although my decor skills may not be up to par, my baking and cooking skills definitely are, because baby, everybody tore the cake up. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. So thank y'all for tuning in. Before you leave, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I definitely will be coming through with some more, you know, different videos in the year 2021, because yeah, like, I love doing nails and hair, but I just like to do different stuff. So tune in, guys. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Me, LaBee, out.